Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel YouTube Premium subscription. Now first, let me show you how to do it on your browser. First, you should navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Then you should navigate to purchases and memberships. Click on it. Then after that, it will show you this page right here. And now you can simply see your memberships. Just click on manage membership right here. After that, it will show you this page. Now you can simply click on this cancel button. Then once you click on cancel, it will ask you if you want to confirm this cancellation. Just cancel it. And before you cancel, read all the information. Now, when going to the mobile phone, you should open your YouTube application. Then you should head to your profile icon on the bottom right corner right here. And after that, we'll show you this page. Now I have to click on this gear icon on the top right corner. Once you click on it, it will jump you to the settings. Choose the first option, purchases and memberships. Then it will show you all your memberships. You should click on YouTube Premium Membership. Then it will show you this page. Now you can simply click on cancel right here. After that, it will show you all the information, as you can see, about the cancellation. You can simply confirm it by click on yes, cancel. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.